Hello my people, I throway salute to make una welcome back to my channel. If this na the first time wey dey jam my channel, welcome. Na dried okra soup na carry us come here today o. This na popular soup for the north of Nigeria and they call am Miyan Busheshen Kubewa. If you eat this soup e dey very sweet and e dey draw. So before we start, make I show you all the things wey be say I wan use. This na dried okra wey be say I do by myself, na me still pound am. Then I go still use pepper as you want. Then this na dried shrimp, this na dried small fish, then this daddawa, of course you have to use daddawa, then salt and seasoning cubes. Then I'll use one big onions or medium sized onions, then palm oil, then crayfish. I pound the crayfish. Then this na cow leg wey be say I don already cook. You fit use pomo, fish, anything wey be say you like to use. I forget to show this one. This na frozen periwinkle. E dey for one corner before, so I just notice and just now as make I show una. Na goat meat I dey use, but you fit use any meat wey be say you like. So as the meat dey cook, I go use this time take pound the pepper. You fit blend the pepper and the onions together, but this na how I want to do my own. So if this na the first time wey be say dey jam my channel, or you don dey watch my video before and you never make up your mind to subscribe, na God I take beg you, help me subscribe. This na the only way be say fit help your sister, and the thing na free sef. Na just to click that button wey be say they say subscribe, and also that picture of bell, click am too. That one na you take know whenever I post video. And make una not forget to like the video, make una share am. Thank you so much, and God go continue to bless you and your family. Once the meat boil small, I go come rinse am, put small water, then put am back for fire. When I dey add the pepper and the onions, I no know say the camera no dey on, but as una dey see am, you dey see the pepper and the onions. Then I'll come add one of the seasoning cube and some salt. You go add salt the way you like salt. Then I go come turn the thing so that everything go mix well. Then cover and make it cook till it done. Goat meat no dey quick done, so you go fit cook am for about 40 minutes to an hour before e dey done. So 1 hour later, the meat don done. So the meat too plenty, I go just comot some because I wan add the cow leg too. Una dey say as this meat dey very stubborn, e be like say e no wan comot, so make I just move to another one abeg. So as I dey suffer dey comot the meat, make I use this time take hail all the people wey be say they don subscribe to my channel. This one na oyibo I go take talk am because e dey very short and sweet and to the point. You guys are the best. I love you. Thank you and God bless you. Once I don comot all the meat wey be say I wan comot, I go come add the cow leg. Like I tell you now before, this soup just be like any type of soup. You fit cook am with any fish or meat wey you like. So now I go begin to add the other things wey I want to cook the soup. So I go pour the palm oil inside, then add the daddawa, then the pounded crayfish. That one na fish, no be paper. Then I'll come add the dried shrimp, then the anchovy. Na wetin oyibo people dey call am, but e get local names wey dey call am for different tribes for Nigeria. If you know the name wey dey call am for your tribe, just leave the name for the comments, make everybody know. Na that small fish wey be like say e dey transparent. So I go come add more water, then cover am make e cook. The amount of water wey you add go determine whether your soup go dey very thick or e go dey very light. So if you like maybe say your soup thick well, start with small water. After the soup don cook for about 15 minutes, I come add some salt. E don happen again o. I don't know say camera no dey on. I don already add the periwinkle. That's why you see say na salt I first dey add, but na the periwinkle I first add before I add the salt. I don't know say the camera no dey record. So I go cover and make it cook small. So I let am cook for 10 minutes. E don reach time wey be say we go add the last thing, and na be the dry okra. Make the soup for not get seed, I go dey add am small dey mix am. E just be like ogbono. You know say when you no mix the thing well, you come dey get small seed. Nobody like that kind of thing. So that na wetin I dey try to prevent. I go dey add am, dey mix am so that the thing no go develop seed. As I dey add the thing small, I go dey look the thing to know when to stop. as you dey look the dried okra, so you go think say the thing dey small because the thing not plenty. If you see the plenty okra wey be say I dry, then pounder wey be say e come reduce to this, you go dey very surprised. So this na plenty okra, not just look the size. They sell dried okra for some part of Nigeria, but where you dey stay, if you no fit buy the okra or you like to make am by yourself, I get video wey be say I go show you how to take make the okra by yourself for house, then pound am, or you fit even blend am sef the way you like. So I go leave the link inside the description box. You go fit go check am later after you don watch this video finish. In case you don't understand Pidgin English and you are interested in making this soup, I'm gonna leave the link to the recipe in the description box. It's gonna link to my website and the recipe is written in English. As I tell una before, I go dey add the dry okra small small, dey turn am and dey check am to see when the thing go don thick reach. And like I tell una again, if you like make the thing thick, make you start with small water. Then you fit dey add water until the thing don reach to your satisfaction. But me, I like make the thing dey light. Generally, if you dey watch all my videos, you go see say I like thick soup. But when e come to this Miyan Busheshen Kubewa, I dey prefer am make e dey light because to me e dey sweeter, e dey smoother, but everybody with their own preference. And if you look am sef, as the day dey go by, the thing dey thicker every day. No forget to test am to make sure say salt and everything catch am well. Finally, the soup don done. Okra no dey take before e done. After I add the last okra, I just cook am for 5 to 10 minutes. The soup don done. I think una see as e dey draw. So now I don't believe say dry okra dey draw too. But in case you dey cook the thing just the way you dey cook fresh okra, if e no draw well, you fit add small baking soda or small akau. Akau and potash na the same thing. Just soak am for water, then pour the water inside. If you wan know the actual measurement of everything wey be say I use up to the water, I go leave the link to the recipe inside the description box, and that one go take you to my website. So to all those inspector general, this no be dirty, na factory stain. So make I show you, make you see the thing well well. So back to the delicious soup. Una see as e dey draw, very light, very delicious. If you never ever taste this soup, if you taste am, you go love am. And if you not like Miyan Kuka, this na good alternative for you. So the first one wey be say I show you, na that very day wey I cook the soup. This na the second day to tell you say the thing dey thick as the day dey go by. So to all those okra lovers or draw soup lovers, this na another recipe to add to the one be say you don already know before. The soup dey very easy to make and e sweet well well. So now wey be say una don sabi make this soup, why una no even try am first? See, I promise you, I swear to God, you go love am, you go lick your finger, hey, you go dey very proud of yourself. So my people, I thank una for watching the video. Until we go jam again, make una stay kampe. May God continue to dey bless una family, and I love una from the bottom of my heart. Bye bye yo.